Set Chrome options with remote driver. So there's a nice long list of switches that can be passed to the Chrome driver. I would like to use some of them, specifically disable logging. I do not want to only use Chrome driver locally though. I'd like to write all my code to use webdriver.remote. Here's the code I use to set up a Chrome driver, and it works great for a vanilla Chrome instance. However, I cannot figure out how to pass in additional options. When I look at driver.capabilities, I see the following. I don't see any other arguments besides desired_capabilities for passing arguments to Chrome driver through webdriver.remote. Is this true? Am I missing something? Is there some other strategy for customizing Chrome driver? There's a nice example on the Chrome Drive wiki page that shows starting Chromium with specific flags. However, all the example are for webdriver.chrome. The example is in Java 2, so it might not even work in Python. If anyone has gotten this to work or can tell me this just will not work, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. New problem. I'm not sure the best way to handle follow-up questions. So, I got the answer to my question, but I'm still having trouble turning off logging. Check out the following logger line. I can pass the argument disable logging to Chrome driver, but all it seems to care about is the first argument enabling logging. I guess I need to find out where the default arguments are for new instances of Chrome are kept.
This should give you the flags available.
From the source code, it looks like the only way this would be possible is to pass it through desired_capabilities. This dictionary is sent directly to the remove driver via a post request. After looking at how to start Chromium with specific flags, maybe something like this would work.
Just my 2 cents on this since the Selenium remote and Chrome web drivers changed.
Элемент общего. Wissen Sie, wie ich das schreibe?